In this class, we will learn how we can change the connection which is already configured in one of the integration. Suppose if I consider this first integration, here we are having one connection, that is trigger connection. I don't want this connection to be used in this integration, rather I want a different integration. Now the concept will be same even for the invoke connections as well. I don't have that in my case, but if you are having that connections used in the invocation side, you can replace that as well using the similar method. Now instead of this trigger underscore rest, I want to use another integration with a different name, provided it should be a same type. You cannot replace the REST type of connection with the SharePoint connection or Outlook connection. You can only replace Outlook connection with the Outlook, REST with REST, SOAP with SOAP. Now in order to replace any connection, it should be in a deactivated state first of all, that is in the configured state. Now we need to click on the actions over here, and there is this option called as configure. Click on this configure. Once you click on configure button, you will get this configuration editor. Suppose if you want to modify any of the details for this REST trigger connection, you can click on this edit. It will take to that trigger underscore REST connection. Suppose if you want to change the security policy and all for the particular connection, you can click on the edit. Now suppose I want to change the connection itself, that is I'm not happy with trigger underscore REST naming convention, so I have created some other connection, so I want to use that. In order to do that, we have to just click on this replace option over here. Click on this replace. It will list all the connections which are of the similar type, that is REST. Now in my instance, I am having another trigger connection that is based on the REST interface. So I will select this REST interface. You will get a message over here that is saying replaced. Now in order to reflect these changes in the integration, we need to click on save. Click on this save so that the changes will be configured permanently in the integration. Now click on this go back. Now here if you expand, you will see the name got changed for that trigger connection. Instead of trigger underscore REST connection, we are using REST underscore interface, which we change with the help of this configure option. So with the help of this configure method, we can replace any connections for any of the integrations in Oracle Integration 3 instance.